If you're worried about FBI agents spying on you, then the new Huawei MateBook X Pro with its hidden webcam could be for you. So this is the MateBook X Pro, with the X standing for Extreme Experience, apparently. I have to say though, this is a seriously nice bit of kit. It's a high-end ultrabook with the latest 8th gen processors, ridiculously thin bezels, the world's first recessed webcam, a huge touchpad, and what Huawei claim will be a disruptive price, starting with an 8th gen Core i5 and moves up to an 8th gen i7 8550U. This model also comes with the Nvidia GeForce MX 150 graphics card, which is around 4 times more powerful than the built-in Intel 620 graphics on the processor. So for a thin and light laptop, the MateBook X Pro packs a punch, especially the higher spec, and it'll be great for video editing and even a bit of light gaming. So it's a bit like the Surface Book 2 and the MacBook Pro 13 got together and had a beautiful baby. You get a 14-inch touchscreen display, well, technically 13.9-inch, with a 3000 by 2000 resolution, so that's a 3:2 aspect ratio like the Surface Book. And it is a beautiful looking screen with 100% sRGB coverage, 1500:1 contrast, and 450 nits of brightness. Now, I'm not one for marketing buzzwords, but Huawei call it a full view screen, and I think that's a fair name given its incredible 91% screen to body ratio. That's up from 84% on last year's MateBook X, which not only makes it look really good, but it means you're getting a big screen in a compact body. Speaking of the body, it's got an all-metal unibody design, weighing 1.33 kilograms and just 14.6 millimeters at its thickest point. Huawei were quick to tell me that this means it's both thinner and lighter than the MacBook Pro 13. But undoubtedly, it does take some inspiration from Apple's laptops. Not only does it have a MacBook Pro-esque huge touchpad, but it even comes in a space grey color, literally the same name. And also a Mystic Silver, but the grey looks better. Ports-wise, you get 2 USB-C ports, one of which supports Thunderbolt 3, along with 1 full-size USB-A and a headphone jack. You get a fingerprint reader built into the power button, and there's 4 Dolby Atmos supported speakers, which I have to say sounded really good. The full-size backlit keyboard feels a lot like the clacky butterfly mechanism keys you get on the latest MacBook Pros, so they do feel quite shallow, but they're still easy to type on. But click in the F6 key and the webcam pops out. Obviously the angle is not ideal unless you like looking up people's noses, but considering there's just no room for it on the screen with such tiny bezels, and a lot of people do cover their webcams these days anyway, it's a pretty innovative solution. In terms of battery life, Huawei claim it has an all-day battery, so I'd expect around 10 hours, but I'll test that properly in my full review. So that is the new MateBook X Pro, a beautiful and surprisingly powerful ultrabook from Huawei. Make sure you subscribe for my full review coming soon, and I'll update the description with final pricing and where to buy it when it comes out. But what do you think? Would you buy it? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time right here on the Tech Chat.
And no one